In the darkness, some pony coughed.
Who was it?
What does it matter?
Get serious, Dash. It's better for 5 of us to get through this than none of us. Coughing is the only warning we get.
Couldn't we, wait and see? It could just be dust or a cold. Please?
I really wish that we could risk it, Fluttershy. But there's no going back once it reaches the final stage. You saw what happened out there. Do you really want that in here?
She's right, Sugar Cube. It's not contagious until the end. We got a choice to make. 1 death or 6. Isn't there anything that can be done? Can't your magic cure it? Stop it? Slow it down? Anything?
Even the princess can't cure it. She can only contain outbreaks that do happen. Every carrier has to die. That's the only way the rest of us can be safe. The only way the rest of Equestria can be safe. You know that, Dash. Time matters here. Why are you stalling?
I coughed. It was me. It's okay. It'll be okay. I couldn't live with myself if any of you died, and they could have prevented it. It's better this way.
No. Her mind's made up. It's a tough choice, but Fluttershy's got the strength of an ox. On the inside. How is she going to?
We don't have any weapons, and I'm not trained in combat magic. Even if I were, it can't be me. It has to be you, Dash.
What? Why me?
I know you well enough to realize that you'd never just stand aside and let one of us lay a hoof on your filly friend. Maybe intellectually you'd know that it's necessary, but your emotions get the better of you. Ask yourself, if it has to be any of us, would you really want any pony but yourself to...
You're right. Fluttershy, sit up and put your head against the wall. It'll be a mite quicker.
I'm so sorry, Rainbow Dash. I wish it could be any other way.
I'm sorry. I love you. I'm so sorry.
I love you too, and I forgive you. It's better this way. Just make sure some pony takes care of the animals when this is all over. When everything is back to normal.
I promise. Cut the light, Twilight. No pony should have to see this.
In the darkness, some pony coughed.